In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy seller account. If you've been contemplating starting your own online store, Etsy is a fantastic platform to showcase your crafts, vintage goods, or unique items. Let's walk you through the entire process step by step so you can set up shop with ease. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to yuya.etsy.com. Once the Etsy homepage loads, you should see a sign in option located at the top right corner. Click on that. Now, if you're new to Etsy and don't already have an account, you'll also notice a register button. Click on register to start creating your account. Here, it's straightforward. Simply enter your email address, choose a name, and set a password that you'll remember. Once you've filled out these details, hit the register button and you're all set to move on to the next phase. With your account ready, it's time to kickstart your shop. Once you're logged into your newly created Etsy account, you can visit www.etsy.com/sell, or alternatively, scroll to the bottom of the home page and click on Sell on Etsy. Either way, they're both gateways to opening your Etsy shop. On the next page, you'll see Open Your Etsy Shop. Click on it, as this will guide you through the steps needed to establish your online store presence. Now, let's set your shop preferences. This is an important step where you'll decide on a few foundational elements. Choose your shop language, perhaps you prefer English or another language, and then select your shop country and currency. These choices help tailor your shop's appearance and function to fit your needs. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save and Continue. Next, it's time for the exciting part, naming your shop. Think of a creative and memorable name that fits the items you plan to sell. Keep in mind it must be between 4 and 20 characters long, and a small tip here: no spaces or special characters are allowed. Etsy will automatically check if your desired shop name is available, ensuring you have a unique identity on the platform. After confirming the availability of your shop name, click Save and Continue. And there you go, you've now laid the groundwork for your Etsy shop. Remember, while these initial steps are crucial, there's more to explore as you move forward, like adding products and setting up your shop policies. Etsy is a welcoming platform with lots of resources to help you grow, so don't hesitate to dive deeper. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made starting your Etsy shop just a little bit easier. Good luck and happy selling.